everyone, welcome back to Sunny Life channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 24th to the 28th of May 2021 on Monday. Zweli find himself pleasantly surprised by the new arrival in the Dikana home on Tuesday. The Dikanas have to adjust to having someone new in their home while Flora buckles under pressure on Wednesday. Emma feels threatened by a new arrival at the Dikana mansion. Cobra finds himself in the clashes of the temptation on Thursday. Emma gets rid of the threat stalking the Dikana mansion, and the RC's chance at taking the trophy start to look dim on Friday. Dynamic change at the Dikana mansion while the reviewer choristers finally get their chance on stage. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.